Hello everyone, my name is Gustavo Cirino and I'm a hairstylist from Brazil. Today, let me introduce you to Nutree Professional Boosters, the ultimate solution for your hair care needs. These products are designed to restore weak and lifeless hair, providing fast and effective results. The first product is the Repair Shot Hair Treatment. This powerful complex of valuable nutrients helps to prevent and repair damage caused by harsh procedures, improving texture, restoring strength, smoothing frizz, and protecting hair structure against further damage. The second product is the Hydra Shot Hair Treatment, containing hyaluronic acid for long-term hydration and protection against drying. This booster is an excellent SOS remedy for weak and dry hair. In need of intensive moisturizing and special care, it enhances manageability, improves elasticity, and increases moisture, providing a quick restoration that permeates deep into the layers. The third product is the Nutree Shot Hair Treatment, containing hyaluronic acid for fast, high-quality hair nourishment. This intensive care provides a long-lasting cumulative effect, preventing hair loss, filling gaps in the hair structure, preventing drying, and giving it shine. With repeated use, this treatment provides comprehensive care for your hair. To use the boosters, simply add the shot into your hair products and mix it thoroughly before applying it. You can use it in a mask or hair conditioner, or use it directly on the hair for an instant effect. Apply along the entire length, avoiding the roots. Leave it on from 5 to 10 minutes depending on the needs of your hair, and rinse thoroughly. Boost your favorite hair treatment with these boosters and experience the magic of restoration for yourself. Get your Nutree Professional Boosters today and give your hair the care it deserves. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear from you. See you next time, and bye-bye.